what's up guys? Today is another video. It's actually going to be, as you can tell from the title, my Sunday routine, a day in the life. Not really that exciting, but I don't know. I've seen lots of day in the lives, lots of get ready with me's, lots of this, lots of that, and I love them. I love watching them so much. Me, during the week, I go to work. And when I'm not at work, I'm hanging out with Hunter and we're probably just taking naps and watching Adventure Time. During the weekend, we do have that small window when we're not hanging out with each other or not just like relaxing. We're spending time with family or getting stuff done like errands, grocery shopping, laundry, blah blah blah, like endless lists of stuff we need to get done before the week. But Sundays are always our rest days, I guess. It's a rest day that we're not doing a lot of stuff because we have church, we have Sunday school, and then we usually go to one of our parents for lunch. This Sunday in particular, he actually had some family in, I don't know. All a learning experience, okay? Okay. Here's the video. Good morning, everyone. So, just woke up. Actually, I woke up a little bit ago because I wanted to edit a little bit before church and it actually made us late. So I'm still in my jammies. Hunter's still in his jammies. So yeah, now we're gonna get ready in like less than 20 minutes. Now we are on our way to church. As always, I made us late. So this is like an everyday Sunday. Always late. Typical. Just typical. It's not gonna be like a really laid back Sunday like they typically are. We're gonna be spending time with family because Hunter has some family in town, and yeah. I don't want to. I feel so conscious. Why have it sideways? So now we are done with church and we are going over to his parents' house to go have some lunch, and we have the two boys with us. Well done, church is over. Basically the rest of our Sunday is really chill and just like family time.
Hunter, can we play a record? Okay, well, I'll play chords.
Hi, Taylor. No, nothing. Just had lunch and relaxation time, and I'm in comfy clothes.
We don't have a couch to sit on.
Yeah, because Taylor's taking it over. All of it. We're ready for naps. I'm like, really ready for naps. Same.
Do it. How do you do it? It's not recording. How do you do it? Where's the red light? There's no red light.
It's recording. This is not going in the vlog. Oh, whoa.
I'm just shaking my hand. 55. We can leave in like.
Yeah, I'm trying to leave at
Where are you going?
5:30. Going to film a music video. The Nick and then I got work tomorrow. Nick is my home.
Are you just you two?
Yeah, it's for his music.
Oh, he makes his own music?
Why don't you go outside?
Yeah, this is gonna be my last round.
Why?
Why don't you go play? It's so bright outside.
Your last round?
Yep. This is my last one.
You're not gonna respond?
Okay, you're done?
No.
After this one, we're done.
Yes. We're not playing yet.
We're not. What'd you say, Eric?
What?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Let's see if my mom waits for me.
You're gonna take 2 cards, or I'll take
Hey, Phil.
I get it.
7 of us.
He said I fell.
Nice.
You're a
I
stray
invite
cat.
all the stray
No.
cats in the neighborhood.
Yeah, let's go.
2, and they seem nice.
You
Sick.
invited all the stray cats from the neighborhood?
Yeah, because my
Are you
parents
having
are
a
leaving.
crazy cat party?
Yeah. my
Is
parents
it
are
beginning?
gone. Yeah, my parents are leaving.
It's official. Sam, you are the crazy cat lady of this vlog.
I thought she was gonna be it, but apparently she got married, so.
Yeah, I don't have a ring on, so I could still be it. Probably will be.
Bye! Well, we left and now we're at my parents' house and just picking up a couple of things, and then we're gonna head home and take a nap and eat and just relax because Sunday.
Relax.
There's some show.
Oh, I got a selfie stick that I'm just borrowing from my dad because
He doesn't use it.
he doesn't use it.
Obviously, Thursday. What do you
Alright.
guys want for dinner?
Okay.
Chicken, spaghetti, or pork chop?
Okay.
Ooh, pork chop.
Pork chop sounds good. Let's do pork chop.
Yeah, that
first.
does sound good.
Pork chop.
Okay, bye.
Bye, love you. Are you videotaping? Love you guys.
Now we're leaving. Ooh, look at that. I get to hold it like this. I don't think that really works. So now we officially are done visiting people.
Are we?
Who else?
I don't know. I'm trying to
I'm done. I'm taking a nap. Next place we go, I'm sleeping.
Okay.
So, now is the end of our Sunday basically. Oh gosh, other than sleeping and maybe some dinner tonight, and then I am going to be editing. Hunter's tired. We stayed a little bit longer. I feel like that's every house we go to. We always stay a little bit longer than we mean to. And again, it's usually because of me, so. But that's fine, because people are great, and family and friends are great. Now alone time without the vlog. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so this is actually the night after yesterday. So today is Monday, because yesterday was Sunday. That basically is it for my day in the life. All we did after we left my parents' house was take a nap. I literally slept for 3 hours and I woke up at 9. I ate some spaghetti and then I went back to bed. I didn't really feel like I needed to record that just because like it wasn't really anything exciting. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, please subscribe, please share, please comment down below what you guys do on the weekends, whether you go to church or you do your grocery shopping or your errands or you do laundry. Leave it all down below because I want to know. I'm interested. Do you go clubbing? I don't know. That's kind of cool. That's fun. And what clubs do you go to? Are you boring like me and you just sit in the house and watch Adventure Time with your husband? Because honestly, that's what we've been doing the past couple weekends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. I love you so much. I'm really tired. I'm still trying to figure out how to import files and do this and that. And I know it seems so simple to people, but y'all, I'm not that smart. I dropped out of college, okay. Anyways, this is getting to be a little bit long and a little bit crazy. So I'm gonna leave and see you guys later.